For all of our getting started tutorials, we've been using a completely free account in XOGO. The free account allows you to have up to 15 items in your media library, with videos having a maximum length of 60 seconds. The free version also allows you to have up to one media player. Now, XOGO Manager is going to prompt you to upgrade to XOGO Pro whenever you try to add more than one media player or more than 15 items into your media library. You also can upgrade here in the side panel and then by clicking the blue Upgrade Now button. The paid version of XOGO allows you to have an unlimited number of media items, playlists, and players. The players are simply billed at 15 to 20 US dollars per month per player, depending upon whether you pay month to month or once per year. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Once you click the blue Upgrade Now button, a web browser will open on your device, and you can choose to pay annually or monthly. And again, you receive a price break if you pay for a year at a time. So if we were to do that, you'll see a window pop up, and you can simply enter your name and billing address. Click on Payment Info, and then you will be prompted to enter your credit card details. Click Submit, and that's all you need to do. Your account is instantly upgraded to the Pro version.